Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Clicks. If you're a self-published author or a book marketer, you know how important it is to have eye-catching book mockups. A professional-looking mockup can help you promote your book, boost sales, and make your listing stand out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning book mockups quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a better tools, I'll walk you through the best free method to design high quality book mockups in just a few minutes, and I'll be doing this with just 3 websites. So stick around and let's get started. Let me take you to the first website. Come to your browser and type DIY mockups, and here is the first website. Just tap on this first link, DIY book mockups. Okay, this is all the mockup you can use for your book. Okay, there are two, single and composite. Okay, so here is the composite. If you want any of them, you can use any of them. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use um, any of them with just one example. So let's go back to the single. Okay, so the first step is for you to choose the sample of the mockup you want to use, the template you want to use. I like using this second one. So I'll tap on it. Anyone you wish to use, you tap on it. Okay, you come to next and you browse to upload the picture or the design you've already done, okay, of your book. So I'll tap on browse and I'll upload the design of the design of the book I've already done. So I'll tap upload and I'll wait for it to load. Okay, it has loaded. I'll come to next. Here you have two options, either to save your image, your mockup with PNG, that's without a background if you want to use it for a design, or JPG if you just need it with background. Let's do JPEG. All right, and that is it. Is downloading. You can open it. Let's see. That's the way it looks. Okay, that's the way it looks. So let's go back. If you need it without background, you can use this. Okay, so that's how you use this website for your mockup. Let's go to the next website. Okay, so here is the second website you use, mockupbro.com. all right, it's free and you should expect this advert on it, so you can look through it. Okay, so you tap on these tabs. The one we are interested in is this print, so you tap on print. So all these are mockups under print. Okay, all these are mockups under print. You can check the next page. Let's go to page 3. Okay, so you can see this. Let's use this to do one example. You tap on it. Okay, so um here is the cover. Look at where you see upload here. You can upload. Tap on it to upload. Okay, so you tap on it and upload your image. You can adjust your image to make sure it fits to this shape there, and you say crop and continue. So crop and continue. Okay, so that is it. So let's give this a background. So you tap on this to select a background for it. I like choosing a background that is, you know, there on my design. So you adjust this to choose that background of your choice. Okay, I think this background is fine. This background is fine. So it's important for you to use a dim background, okay, that will match your design. So you can tap any other place and you can now download it. Here is a button you tap to download it. So here is it. Okay. All right, so let me take you to the third website, Canva. Depending on the size you want to do, you can choose any size of your choice. So what you just need to do is to tap Mockup, search for Mockup. You see book Mockups here, so I'll just tap on it. Okay. So these are sample of what you need. If you have a pro account, you can do any of these. I'm using a pro account, so I can use any of these. All right. Okay, so let's take one example. There are two ways. There are two things I do here. So I will show you the two things. Let's take this one as an example. Okay, so here is a mockup you can also do. So if you don't need this, you can delete this text here, okay, or you put any right up there. Now you are to replace this design with your own design. This is one way of doing your mockup. Okay, so let's replace. You select the image and you replace. I'll tap on the image of my choice and it will be there. You've seen that. Good. So I can now save it, download it. PNG, JPEG, whichever format you want to save it, depending on what you want to use it for, you can save it. Okay, so let's take JPEG and you can download it. Okay, so if you go to our gallery, it's there. So let me show you another method of mockups. Okay, depending on what you want to do, you can apply any of these depending on what you want to do. You scroll down to your right hand side, these tabs, you see mockups there. Just tap on mockups. When you do that, you see different types of mockups. The one we'll be interested in is this print. Okay, so you tap on save, see all, and you select, just scroll through, you see the one of your choice. See the one of your choice. There's this particular I want us to use as an example. Okay, so let's use this one as an example. Okay, this one. Just tap any one of your choice. Alright, so in this case you can remove the other ones. You can select and delete them. You can select and delete the other ones. And you upload your design. Just upload your design, okay, and bring it here. Let's go to uploads. My design is here, so I'll just tap on it and I'll bring it inside here. Good. Now I need to put a background here, so I'll tap on that background and select color. I can choose any of these color from the design. Any of this color from the design. The one I like most. That will bring out the beauty of it. Okay. I think I like this one most. And you can now save it. Download it your gallery. Alright, let's take another one. Still on print. Tap on it and it's there, so you can delete the previous one. Okay, so you go to your gallery. So add to page, and it's there, so you just drag it and allow it inside the mockup. Alright, so you can now change this background. Tap on the background to change the background. Okay, any of this color we can use, it will be fine. think I prefer this one. I prefer this one. So you can now save it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.